We very often get our important data in separate files and needs to be joined to one another to create more effective summary analysis. So in this video, we will learn how to join multiple tables using the merge function. Joins, just like another join function in Apache, Hive, Pig, SQL, and Excel, also comes with the rich features of joining two or more datasets using the same universal join concepts. Inner join and outer join. Inner join is also known as equijoin, which returns rows when there is a match in both the tables of the dataset based on a common key or value. First, load the datasets, then define the first dataset in X, then the second in Y, and by is equal to the column name, which will be used to return rows when there is a match in both the tables of the dataset, that is, transaction ID. Then complete. We have our table whose transaction ID is common in both the dataset. Full outer join. Full outer join returns all the rows from both the tables irrespective of any matches between the tables. In other words, it means it will join even if there is no match in the common key. For example, if we have two tables, now based on ID, it will join the two tables even the ID is not common in both the datasets. Next is a left outer join. Left outer join returns all the rows of left table and only the matching rows of the right table. In simple words, if you have two tables based on ID, left outer join will return all the rows from the left table, that is the first table, and the only matching rows based on ID from the second table. To implement left outer join, type all.x is equal to true in the merge function. That's it. Done. Right outer join is the opposite of left join. Returns all the rows of the right table and only the matching rows of the left table. For example, from the two tables, it will return all the rows from the right table, that is the second table, and only the matching rows based on ID from the first table. It is the vice versa of the left outer join. To apply right outer join, we need to set all.y is equal to true instead of all.x. So merging tables is one of the very important functions to join different datasets. Next, we will see how to impute the missing values.